Look for your tag. This is crushed shear. You hardly will ever, you'll see the different textures that we're going to be using today. You will, like this, you will hardly ever see me drape with that. For one, it looks like what everybody uses. It's cheap, you know, and it's just, it doesn't give you any, wow, you know. So I would highly suggest you guys spend a couple more dollars and some premium fabric. For one, look at how I'm treating this fabric. I ain't folding it, I don't wash it. It's just, it's really maintenance free. So for me, that makes it really worth it, you know, not having to wash it, not having to do anything. And then it gives your backdrop texture. And like I was saying with this, I think when I purchased the roll, it was maybe $3.99 a yard, something like that. Now I could have been lazy and just pinned it. But I told you, how you start is how you finish. So even though it probably look all right now, soon you go to raise that bad boy, you be like, oh my God. Boy, I learned that the hard way a couple times.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel to catch more tips and tricks to help you with your event decor.